Meaning of devolve.
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 Devolve. Devolve means to transfer power, authority, or responsibility from a higher level to a lower level, or from a central authority to a local one. This can result in greater autonomy and decision-making power for the lower level or local entity. However, devolution can also lead to potential challenges such as lack of consistency in policies and regulations, difficulties in coordinating actions across different levels, and potential conflicts between different regions or levels of government. Overall, devolving power is a way to distribute authority and decision-making across multiple levels of government and increase local control.